Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we back today with another video for y'all, man. Another mask video, because your boy getting his tooth done. Yeah, I'm traumatized from that experience. Go check that out. But if you guys are new to the channel, go down there, hit that subscribe button, leave a like on the video, comment down below what else you guys want to see on the channel. Anyways, we are coming back with another shoe review, and you guys should already know about the hat, the title, that it is a Kobe unboxing and review. I'm also going to be bringing you guys an on foot. I wish I could be bringing a on court performance review with this shoe, but unfortunately gyms are still closed, and like basketball gyms, and I don't want to sign up for a membership where it's just just me in the gym. I want to actually play like 5-on-5, you feel me? But anyways, we have this shoe right here, Kobe Bryant, RIP Kobe, man. If you guys don't know, he was my favorite player of all time, and it was just sad. Like, the whole situation that happened was just like depressing, heartbreaking, everything to me. That was my idol, man, my favorite player. Really loved his mentality, his lifestyle, just the way he worked, you know what I'm saying? And I want to reciprocate that with my life going forward. But rest in peace, Kobe. Rest in peace, Gigi. But finally, man, after 10 years, we finally have the Kobe 6 Protro. I do have a pair of Kobe 6s. It is the blue camel snakeskin one, and that one is in my car. I use it as my hoop shoe. I should have brought it in here for the review, but neither here nor there. We have the Kobe 6 Grinches. And yo, in 2010 when this shoe came out, I believe I was in like 6th grade, and yo, this shoe right here, like seeing it on Kobe's feet during Christmas, I was like, damn, that shit is fire. But I wasn't able to get shoes back then. My mom wasn't really buying me like shoes like that. So going into high school, when I started playing ball more, every year I looked at the shoe and the prices kept going up. And I'm like, damn, man. Hopefully, like, one day I'm gonna get the shoe, man. One day I'm gonna get the shoe. And boom, fast forward a couple years, 6 years probably, like 5 years, I ended up picking up 2 pairs, man. They did the Protro, you know what I'm saying? And your boy was able to get his hands on 2 pairs. Shout out Foot Locker. Big shout out to Foot Locker, man. I hit on the app and I was able to pick up 2 pairs. Without further ado, let's hop into the unboxing, man. So as you guys can see, all the Kobe Protros come in this black box, besides like the undefeated one that I have. But all the other ones come in this black box with the the Kobe logo and his signature, and then the size tag right here. This one reads Kobe 6 Protro, green apple, black volt, crimson. Ta-da! So first into the box, nothing really special, just a black box, but they have the white piece of paper, and once you flip it open, woo, woo, this shit is fire. This shit is fire. Right here we have the Kobe 6 Grinches, man. Yo, I still can't believe I have this shoe, man. I still can't believe it. I need to like put it up on a wall or something. Like, yo, I still can't believe I have this shoe. But I have the shoe. So, I'm gonna give you guys a quick little B-roll, just give you guys the details and everything, because this shoe is amazing, man. It's truly amazing, jaw breaking, everything. So, let's just cut to a quick B-roll, give you guys a the detail look, and we'll come back and I'll break down the colorway and the shoe, man. here we have the left shoe, and right here we have the right shoe. So I didn't even notice that it came with an extra pair of, I guess this is crimson laces. And yeah, I would keep the, the lime green laces in there though. Ow, ow, ow. So going into the colorway breakdown, as you guys can see, it is mainly like this lime green, and it's like kind of gradient. It goes from bright lime green into a darker like apple green back here. Also has the yellow accents with the laces, the tongue. So the tongue is a one-piece tongue. It is connected to the upper, and it is a sock-like fit. As you guys can see in the inside, it's like it's knitted together. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm gonna try to angle it. Ooh, it's like knitted together in there. The upper, the material that they use is a snake scale like design, and it actually is more of like a mesh. Technically they say they use the snake scale, so it's more durable, so when it rubs against other stuff, the upper doesn't like frail or anything. So that's pretty cool. Everything else, they have the heel counter back here with his signature. The heel counter on this shoe for performance is amazing, man. Like, it really keeps your foot locked in. And then the Nike swoosh is black, but it has like a gray highlight tone to it. It's like kind of like glittery in a sense. It's not truly like jet black. And the midsole is like a Phylon, because I don't think back in the day they came out with Lunaron midsoles yet until the Kobe 7s and the Kobe 8s. So this one is still Phylon. I don't know why they didn't use Cushlon in the new Protro model, but I guess it makes sense because they still have zoom units in it. So as you guys can see, it is kind of like a translucent outsole with this green, lime green, and then it has the solid rubber outsole right here in a darker green with the crimson Kobe logo, and then this Nike zoom unit back here area is in a yellow slash bright green. And then yeah, man, that pretty much breaks down everything of the shoe. Technology wise, like I said, the upper is kind of a mesh feel with this snake scale pattern for durability. Midsole is Phylon with Nike zoom units. They said there's a zoom unit in the forefoot and a zoom unit in the heel area with this plastic TPU heel counter. And then they have the carbon fiber mid shank right there. And as for sizing on this shoe, I would suggest going true to size, just because personally I like a tight fit when I play basketball. So this has like a sock like fit, so when I get a size 9, it fits like perfectly. And you do have to break in this shoe for it to be like more comfortable. I don't know if the newer models, like the Protro models, have a different technology now where you don't have to, the break-in time is not as long. But my Kobe 6s, when I first got them, like, yo, they used to hurt. Like, I used to hate playing in them, but now they're like one of my favorite sneakers to play in. So should be the same for these, and hopefully the break-in time is not as like long, because the insoles that they use is kind of glued in, so I don't want to take it out. The insoles that they use is supposed to like conform to the bottom of your foot. So yeah, man, right here, that is everything for the material, color, and sizing. Another notice is that the Kobe logo on the top is in crimson. Now, since that covers everything, I'm gonna give you guys a quick little on foot and then come back and wrap things up with you know, I know like the whole resell behind Kobe's and my final opinions on everything, man. So let's cut to a quick on foot and then we'll come back and wrap things up with the, so yeah, let's cut to the quick on foot and then come back and wrap things up with that. Alright, so coming back, as you guys already know, Kobe recently just passed away this year, and all his stuff, like sneakers, just went through the roof at the day he passed away. And it was kind of like disappointing to me and like unethical in a sense, because you're literally just profiting off of somebody's death. I ain't gonna lie, when he passed away, I was in my room with my boy Nihilus, and I was like, damn, Kobe passed away. I was just in shock for like half an hour to an hour. And then like people started, you know, I'm in some like couple chats with other resellers, and they're like, yo, go buy Kobe's, go buy Kobe's. And I'm just like, yo, people really buying up Kobe's? Because Kobe 4s was sitting at the time. I'm not gonna lie, I was gonna pick up the white and blue Hornets pair, the draft day pair, but they were sitting, and I was trying to be cheap and get it on like sale with a discount, and it was like 110 at the time. And next thing you know, like next day, if you walk in the store looking for Kobe's, like people would just be laughing at you like, oh, you're like a day late. And I'm just like, damn, like it's like that. But that's just how the community is, and it's kind of sad. So that's why with my Kobe's, I would never resell my Kobe's. If anything, if I do sell it, it's probably like the wrong size, and I'll sell it for the price I got it at, or I'll do a size swap for the right size. That's just how I feel about Kobe's. So unfortunately, give you guys my resale prediction. I would say don't sell them. I don't know if you can hear my voice, like my heart still kind of hurts right now. Just like, don't sell them, man. Just hold on to them. Be a fan. Like, how would you sell them? You know what I'm saying? Like, I did think about selling my used ones and getting new ones, just because like I played ball in them, and I just wanted to like re-up and get new ones. But I was like, yo, I have so many memories with basketball in those Kobe's, I can't just sell them, you know what I'm saying? So therefore, I personally would not sell these. And if you are into the resale community, I would just say buy them and hold on to them, because it's like it's like a piece of like history. So you know, you have these, and then you know in the future they'll probably be like $1,000. So do what you have to do. I personally won't be selling these. And as for my final opinions, you guys already know throughout the whole video, I've been saying like this was the pair of Kobe's that I always saw after. My favorite model of Kobe's is the Kobe 8s, not the Kobe 6s, but these are definitely in the top 2 probably. These are probably my second favorite Kobe's. And yeah, man, finally got my hands on them 10 years later. Finally got my hands on these, man. And yeah, I got 2 pairs. Shout out to Foot Locker again. And yeah, that's the end of this video. Comment down below. And yeah, that's the end of this video. Comment down below what you guys think. Leave a like on the video if you enjoyed. And make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. It's your boy ALin, and I'm checking out. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy, man. We out.